to be, sein. Time for a Wiederholung, a review. So in our last few lessons, you learned how to say I am. Ich bin, you are. Du bist, he is, ist. She is, sie ist. It is, es ist. And now we're going to learn how to ask the question, is it? If you haven't seen these lessons yet, you can go back and find them all on our channel homepage. Okay, so remember it is es ist. It is, es ist. So to ask the question, it's a simple matter of reversing the word order. So we will have conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun, just like in English. We say is it. So in German, it is ist es. Ist es. Is it? Ist es? Is it? Ist es? Is it? Ist es? Is it? Ist es? Okay, let's review our vocabulary. Big, groß. Is it big? Put it all together. Ist es groß? Is it big? Ist es groß? Is it big? Ist es groß? Is it big? Ist es groß? Okay, now let's review all of our vocabulary from this lesson. To be. Remember the infinitive, sein. The question, is it? Ist es? Big, groß, small or little. Klein, old. Alt, new. Neu. Fast, schnell. If you want to ask the question, is it big? Ist es groß? Is it small? Ist es klein? Is it old? Ist es alt? Is it new? Ist es neu? Is it fast? Ist es schnell? Okay, thanks for watching. Vielen Dank. To go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.